Welcome back. Google's version of a chatbot is Google Gemini, and you can find it at gemini.google.com. Gemini has both a paid and free version. And if we look at the engines and we go to the drop-down menu, you're going to see that there is a Pro with Advanced and then a Flash version. We're going to use the Flash version for our query. We're going to enter our query into the dialog box. We are then going to click Enter. And we're going to see what Gemini is able to produce. Gemini does produce the step-by-step instructions. It also produces the article content. We can then go to the ellipsis. We can then copy the entire segment. We can then head to our word processing document. Now, upon cutting and pasting, you'll notice here that Gemini delivered less than we requested that it deliver. It actually delivered 472 words. That's something that you'll want to keep in mind when you're using the chatbot if you're specifying a specific number of words or a specific amount of content. Gemini has tools that we can use here at the top of the post. It also has tools that we can use at the bottom of the post. We will look at those tools in the next video. Okay, so for that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.